Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO F11 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and then on one of the pages you will find Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Once you see it, first time around I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. So I recommend at least going once through all these options, changing them to fit your exact needs, and once you have done so, you can close this and you don't ever have to come back here again. Additionally, in here you can also select a fully automatic schedule, so you don't need to tap on the toggle yourself. The device will turn it on and off for you at a specified day of the week and start and end time. But for the manual usage, once it's set up, you can just find the toggle, tap on it, select turn on, and right now it's enabled. So once you're done with it, find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.